14th, 1775. I remember the day like it was yesterday. The noise, the chaos, but also the courage. We were outnumbered.
The United States Army began its journey in 1775 during the American Revolutionary War, when the Continental Congress formed the Continental Army.
My brave soldiers, we have endured much in this struggle for liberty.
Under the leadership of George Washington, to fight for independence from Britain. Despite limited resources and training, the Army's determination led to victory at the Battle of Yorktown. Securing the birth of the United States. In the early years, the Army remained small, but played a crucial role in defending the nation and expanding its territory through conflicts like the War of 1812 and the Mexican-American War. The Army's size and importance grew dramatically during the American Civil War, a brutal internal conflict that ultimately preserved the Union.
Men, take the fort! Charge for America! Push through! The gates are breaking! Victory! Raise the flag high!
When the world expected us to fall, we stood taller. Victory wasn't the moment the battle ended, it was the moment we refused to give up. I carried their voices with me. I wished to take a single step back.
I remember the day like it was yesterday. The noise, the chaos, but also the courage. We were outnumbered. And when it was over, that song named the win our doo-doo. We didn't fight because it was easy. Every step forward was heavier. We moved forward together. But victory is about sacrifice lives on.
We were afraid, but we never stopped moving forward. We didn't fight for glory. We fought so others could live in peace.
This is what peace looks like. Built by sacrifice, protected by service, and lived every single day.
War teaches you one thing. Nothing is guaranteed except the man beside you. If I had to choose again, I would stand with them every time.
In the 20th century, the United States Army emerged as a global force, playing decisive roles in both the World War I and the World War II.
Return fire! Keep them back!
Where millions of soldiers were deployed across Europe and the Pacific. During the Cold War, it adapted to new challenges, fighting in the Korean War and the Vietnam War, while modernizing its technology and strategy.
2 minutes and 6.
In recent decades, the Army has been involved in conflicts such as the Gulf War, the war in Afghanistan, and the Iraq War, focusing on counterterrorism and rapid deployment. Today, the United States Army stands as a highly advanced, all-volunteer force equipped with modern technology, continuing to evolve in areas like cyber warfare and global security, while maintaining its long-standing tradition of service and resilience.